Today we are going to make this beautiful 3D snowflake. You are going to need 6 pieces of square paper. The first thing we do, fold into a triangle and then fold it in half again into a smaller triangle. Make sure that the closed side is on your left there and the diagonal is running from the top to the bottom. You need a pair of scissors and you are going to cut a line parallel to the diagonal as close as you can to the end, but being careful not to cut it right off. And you're going to need 3 lines. Now open it up. And what we're going to do is fold the upper and lower triangle and glue them together, as you'll see that I'm doing here. So curve them around and then stick them together like that. So it's like a tube. Now you need to flip it over. This part's really, really important. We need to alternate. So flip it over to the other side, take the next section and do the same thing. Glue those ends together so it forms a bit of a loop. And you need to now alternate again. So flip it over to the other side. This is really important to get the design right. Do the same with the third piece. And then flip it one last time for the last one. You might need quite a lot of glue. You can also use staples if you have a stapler. And we're going to make 6 of these. Once you have made all 6, you are going to glue them. Now you'll see that there's a longer side and a shorter side. So when you're pairing them up, match the shorter side to the longer side. And you're going to glue those center parts together. Now again, and as you'll see when I'm doing this, sometimes I need to go back and re-glue them or press them a little bit harder. So if it falls apart, you can just go back and add a bit more glue. So you glue the middle bit together and then the end. And you're going to do that with all 6. So make sure again that you've got the long side on the left and the short side on the right, and you glue the long side to the short side and then the ends together. Repeat this with all 6 of your snowflake parts. Going back and adding a bit more glue if needed. Again, if you have adult help, you can use a stapler to help you to stick them together or staple them together. As you can see, I've just had to go back a little bit and glue some of mine, and that's fine. Some of them are just popping off. I'm just going to add a little bit more glue. And once you've stuck the last one, you have your beautiful 3D snowflake.